Today we are going to study the poem The Quarrel by Eleanor Furgeon. Children, quarrel between any brother or sister is common. I think it's unbelievable that any brother or sister have never quarreled. Many a times they may not remember the reason why they quarreled. In this poem, we will understand how a brother and sister had a quarrel and how it lasted. The concept of the poem is sibling love. We will see that by the end of the poem how again they stop their quarrel. The poem is based on love and friendship among siblings. So let's start the poem. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. In this first stanza, the poet quarreled with her brother. She is not sure for the reason of their quarrel. For one thing to another, they started the quarrel at most. When it started, it was not slight, but it became violent and strong. Her brother demands to be right, but she knew that he was wrong. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. In the second stanza, the poet says, by afternoon it was gloomy, but when it was about to dark, he pated to his sister to resolve and said, "Come along," and not to continue the quarrel till the night. Now he was right and the poet was wrong. She realized that every person have their own point of view. We should not quarrel. Instead, we should respect each other's opinions. Even our opinions may change with the time. So, children, did you fight with your brother or sister today? If yes, then think the reason behind it and try to solve it. Now, let's summarize the poem. The poem is based on sibling love and friendship. The poet in the poem is the opinion that siblings often quarrel and fight with each other with or without reason, but that does not mean that they will never be friends again and they will remain upset with each other for the whole time. Sibling love is so powerful and strong that even after a harsh quarrel, the bond of love will emerge powerful and move away the bitterness caused by the quarrel.